Jai Hind, my dear students. So this is your English Alive course book. So from this book we will going to start with this third chapter, that is No Smiles Today. So in this chapter we will going to read about a girl. Read the story of a girl who does not smile for a day. So in this story we will going to talk about a girl who did not smile for the whole day. So let's start from the first paragraph. Okay. Shanti was a happy girl. No one had ever seen her sad or quiet. Then one day she went very quiet. What happened to Shanti? Read on to find out. So this story is about a girl whose name was Shanti. So here you should know the name of the girl. That who was she? She was Shanti. Her name was Shanti, and how she was? She was a happy girl. So one day what happened? She remained silent for the whole day, and she did not smile for a single minute. Okay. Shanti and Arjun lived in the same village. They were best friends. They had a lot of fun together. They shared secrets in class. They ran races on their way home. Shanti was always cheerful. So in this story there are two characters. One was Shanti, she was girl, and another was Arjun, he was boy. So they both, Shanti and Arjun, they used to live in the same village, and they were what? They were best friends, and they used to share each and everything. So they had a lot of fun together. Means they used to play, they used to laugh together, and in fact they used to share secret in their classroom. Secret means the things they both don't know about each other. And they also used to run when they used to run when they go back to their home from their school. Shanti was always cheerful. So this girl Shanti was very happy girl. As I told you in the beginning that she was a happy girl who always remained happy. One day Shanti came into the classroom slowly. Her head was bent. She looked sad. Now what happened? One day Shanti came to the school as usually she used to come, and what happened? That day she was very silent, she was very quiet, means she was not speaking even a single word, and she put her head down. Did somebody scold you? Asked Arjun. As I told you that she was having one friend, that is Arjun. So this boy, he started asking Shanti that is there anybody who had scolded her? Scold means डांटना. जो अर्जुन है उसने शांति से पूछा क्या उसे किसी ने आज डांटा है. Shanti shook her head. She sat down and did not look up. She did not say present when the teacher called out her name. The teacher called out again, louder this time, Shanti Kumari. Shanti raised her hand. Now what happened? Shanti was very silent, so when she came to the school, she just sat down at her own place, and she did not look up as she was as she bent her head. Now her teacher, she started taking attendance. So her teacher called her name, but this girl, who was the girl? Shanti, she did not said present ma'am. Then again her teacher took her name, and this time she spoke louder. Then this girl just raised her hand. Do you have a sore throat? So what is the meaning of sore? Here is painful. The teacher asked her. Shanti shook her head. Now this her teacher, she started asking question. कि क्या गले में आपके दर्द हो रहा है? The teacher asked. Shanti shook means अपने सर को उसने हिलाया धीरे से. Her cheeks were red and it looked like she had a fever. Are you feeling okay? The teacher asked. Shanti nodded, still not daring to look up. Now what happened when her teacher asked her that is she is okay, then she did not said even a single word and she was just looking down. मीन्स यहाँ पे उसकी टीचर ने देखा कि उसके जो गाल है वो बहुत रेड हो चुके हैं, तो उसकी टीचर को ऐसा लगा कि उसको फीवर आ रहा है, लेकिन ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था और उसने कोई भी आंसर नहीं दिया. Why does Shanti look so sad? Her class teacher thought. Is your little brother okay? One of her friends asked. Is your puppy okay? Is your grandmother okay? Now here in this paragraph, what is happening? The different people, different friends, they started asking question to Shanti. What was the question that they were asking? In fact, her classmates were asking, like one was asking that is her little brother is okay, then another asked her is her puppy okay, then another asked her that is her grandmother okay. Means एक ने पूछा कि क्या उसका छोटा भाई ठीक है, दूसरे ने पूछा कि क्या उसका जो डॉगी का बेबी है वो ठीक है, और तीसरे ने पूछा क्या उसकी ग्रैंड माँ जो ग्रैंड दादी माँ है वो ठीक है. सो इस तरीके से उसके सारे क्लासमेट, सारे फ्रेंड्स उससे क्वेश्चन करने लगे शांति से. क्यों? क्योंकि वो उस दिन बिल्कुल भी स्माइल नहीं कर रही थी और वो बहुत शांत थे. शांति kept nodding her head to each of her friends. Nodding means moving the head slowly, moving the head up and down, right, showing understanding. But she did not look up. Again, when her friends and her teacher were asking question to her, she was not saying even a single word, but she was just nodding her head. Arun wanted to make her smile. Now, who was the one who wanted her to make a smile? Her best friend Arun. He was the one who wanted to see this girl to smile again and again. So he got an idea. He took out something from his bag. As he ran to show it to Shanti, it slipped out of his hands. Shanti saw something flying towards her and she grabbed it. Grabbed it means caught suddenly, something hold. So now what happened? This boy, he just took out something from his bag, and he just went to show to the शांति. इसने अपने बैग से कोई चीज निकाली और ये शांति को दिखाने जा रहा था. जैसे वो दिखाने जा रहा था तो वो क्या हुआ? स्लिप मीन्स फिसल गया, और जो उसके हाथ में चीज थी वो क्या होने लग गई? ऊपर उछल गई, उड़ने लगी. तो शांति उसकी तरफ आई और उसने एकदम से उस चीज को पकड़ लिया. It was a big green rubber frog. Shanti laughed. So what was there that he took out from his bag? It was a green rubber frog. जो इरेजर होता है वो किस शेप में था? फ्रॉग की तरह था, फ्रॉग की शेप में था. और जैसे शांति ने वो देखा वो हंसने लगी. Arun and other friends of Shanti saw why she had not smiled or talked all day. अब जब उसने जैसे ही फ्रॉग वाला इरेजर देखा वो हंसने लगी, तो अरुण और उसके जो अलग अदर फ्रेंड्स थे वो सब जान गए कि उसने पूरे दिन क्यों स्माइल नहीं किया. अब रीजन क्या है कि उसने क्यों नहीं स्माइल किया? 4 of her front teeth had fallen. क्यों? क्योंकि जो उसके आगे के फ्रंट वाले टीथ थे वो कितने थे? 4. इन नंबर इट वाज 4. वो क्या हो गए थे? उसके जो फ्रंट वाले टीथ थे वो टूट गए थे, जिसकी वजह से उसे बहुत शर्मिंदगी फील हो रही थी कि मैं फनी लगूंगी तो मेरे फ्रेंड्स फन बनाएंगे, मेरे मजाक उड़ाएंगे. तो ये रीजन था जिसकी वजह से उसने पूरे दिन स्माइल नहीं किया. सो इस स्टोरी में कौन है? 2 हैं, 2 कैरेक्टर हैं. एक है शांति और दूसरा है अरुण, जो कि क्या है? बेस्ट फ्रेंड है. एक साथ स्कूल जाते हैं, अपनी हर बात शेयर करते हैं, और जब शांति चुप हो जाती है तो अरुण उसको हंसाने की कोशिश करता है, और जब वो नहीं हंसती है तो वो क्या करता है? अपने बैग से एक रबर इरेजर निकालता है जो कि फ्रॉक की शेप में होता है, जिसको देखकर शांति हंसने लगती है. और तब सबको पता चलता है कि वो क्यों नहीं हंस रही थी, क्योंकि जो उसके आगे के 4 फ्रंट टीथ थे वो टूट गए थे. सो I hope you have understood this chapter. Thank you and Jai Hind.